So in your computer keyboard, this is the alt key, and this is the number lock. So first you must turn on the number lock. So if you turn on this number lock, then after that you must press and hold this alt key. So you don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 8983. After typing 8983, you can release your finger from this alt key, and you can see that we have created this symbol. So this is a symbol for view data square, and we have created using this keyboard shortcut. So you can try this after opening Microsoft Word in your Windows computer. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.